Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Vinod Kumar Sharma,
author of
8 hours in the ambulance.
Sir, first of all, how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
Really, it's amazing. It's amazing. Lot of footfalls. Learned people are there, and I'm fond of reading books.
Sir, a little bit about your book. It stands out in its genre or theme.
See, actually, in a whisper of thought, while coming back in the ambulance with my ailing wife, I was thinking how I started with my wife.
Right.
It was on 34th wedding anniversary. 34 long years, you can say.
Right.
And then she was ill, and then I was thinking about I first time met her, how our life started, how we spent the days and celebrated, and growing up of the children and other things.
Right.
So I was just thinking in those 8 hours while coming back in ambulance,
Right.
and after reaching the destination, it was such a bumpy ride. Lot of thoughts.
Right.
All up and down in the life, and it relates to almost everybody because we are all humans.
Right.
And after that, I wrote and beyond after reaching the destination.
Right.
What happened after that?
Right.
After discharging from the hospital.
Right.
So, actually, fortunately or unfortunately, it has been written till her last breath.
Right.
In
right.
2021, she died of corona,
Right.
and then again God has blessed me with a grandson.
Right.
Then
That's
a new beginning I have written in the last chapter.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
on that.
thank you so much.
So, how is it like? Writing a book with such a deep, traumatic experience. What are the challenges you faced while writing it itself?
Last 20 pages, my eyes were blur
Right.
because living those moments again during her last days, it was very painful,
Right.
and it's really very difficult to write on those last 20 pages
Right.
till her last breath. So there was a challenge, but of
Right.
course
You.
I have to
through it.
write, and then I have to write complete it because this is ultimately a tribute to that lady.
Exactly, sir.
So I wrote it, and this is,
This book is a testament to your determination, like to finish
yes,
it.
yes, I love my wife. She's still here.
Yes.
So anyhow, but it happens. This is life,
Right.
and again, God has given me a chance to live again
Right.
with my grandson. He's there. Yeah,
Hi.
my
Hi, sir.
lovely grandson. Come, Priyanka. And she's my daughter-in-law, but
Hi, nice
I
to
have
meet you.
removed in-law. She's my
Right.
daughter.
That's so awesome, sir. Yes.
So great journey,
Right.
and of course we have to face what the God provided to us.
How do you feel about him publishing his book?
I'm very honored, feeling very
Right.
like pleasure, emotions, emotional feelings. Lots of emotion are collected here. Na? Just I requested and to everybody, please visit our counter and
Right.
please must read.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's ask sir for some opinions.
Yeah.
You wanna
Some
say something?
closing thoughts.
Yes.
Wow, that's a powerful stuff.
Yes. Yes, he said
exactly.
something.
He said something. Yes, very smart. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hi. Thank you so much
Right,
for
sir.
sharing your
Thank you.
experience with us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming
Same
on.
here, same
Have a
here.
wonderful book fair.